Next question second of exercise 4.1. Solve the following pair of linear equation graphically and find nature of solution. सॉल्यूशन ग्राफिकली फाइंड आउट करने से पहले हम ग्राफ के बारे में कुछ जानकारी ले लेते हैं। जहां दोनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करती है उसको बोलते हैं ओरिजिन। हॉरिजॉन्टल जो लाइन है उसको बोला जाता है एक्स एक्सिस एंड जो वर्टिकल लाइन होती है उसको बोला जाता है वाई एक्सिस। अगर हम यहाँ पे अगर नंबर में राइट करें, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा 1 2 3 4, यहाँ लिखा इस तरफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड -1 -2 -3 एंड +1 +2 3 4 5 6 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. You observe origin left hand side negative and right hand side positive, and origin upper side positive and lower side negative. This is called first quadrant, and coordinate of first quadrant always positive, plus in comma plus, and coordinate lie in second quadrant is negative and positive. It means value of x negative and value of y is positive. And this is third quadrant, and here value of x is negative and value of y also negative. Fourth quadrant, value of x is positive and value of y is negative. If we find point 3, 4, and if we find point -2, 3, -2, 3, if we find point -2, -5, -2, -5, you always write x coordinate first and y coordinate second. And if we find 4, -4, and if we find 2, 0, then 2, 0 lie on x axis. And if we find -3, 0 also lie on x axis, -3, 0. And if we find 0, 6, so this point is 0, 6. And if we find the coordinate of this point, so coordinate of this point is 0, -2. We observe on x-axis value of y coordinate is 0 and on y-axis value of x coordinate is 0. So let us start this question. Linear equation. What is linear equation? Graph of linear equation given by a straight line and suppose graph of any linear equation. Suppose ax plus by plus c equals to 0. It is linear equation and graph of this linear equation is straight line. We know that any straight line have many points. So we take this linear equation is minimum 3 points and this equation take minimum 3 points because 3 points इसलिए लेते हैं हम. अगर 2 पॉइंट्स अगर अपन लेंगे तो आपको ये पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपका स्टेटमेंट राइट है या रॉन्ग. बिकॉज अगर 2 पॉइंट से अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन अगर ड्रॉ करेंगे वो तो ऑलवेज स्ट्रेट बनेगी. 3 पॉइंट्स लेंगे आप तो आपको आपका मिस्टेक का पता चल जाएगा. अगर आपने अगर कोई क्वेश्चन में कहीं मिस्टेक हो गई है तो आपका पता चल जाएगा. तो आपको मिनिमम कितने पॉइंट लेने? 3. सो वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, फर्स्ट पार्ट. So we find solution of this linear equation. We write this linear equation in term of y. So on transposition 3 minus x. Equation number first, put x equals to minus 2. Again repeat, a line have infinite points. हम यहाँ पे any point ले सकते हैं, बट हमें कोशिश करनी है एक नेगेटिव, एक ओरिजिन के लिए 0 एंड एक लेना आपको पॉजिटिव. तो मैंने लिया था फर्स्ट -2. -2 and second suppose मैंने लिया 0 and थर्ड लिया मैं 2. We put x equals to 2 in equation first. We have y equals to 3 minus into minus plus 5. Y equals to 5. We write here 5. Again we put x equals to 0 here, y equals to 3 minus 0, y equals to 3. And again put x equals to 2 in equation first. Y equals to 3 minus 2, then y equals to 1. फर्स्ट टेबल मेक करेंगे. सेकंड टेबल इसकी हेल्प से बनाएंगे आप. 3x minus 2y equals to 4. We write in term of y on transposition we also write 2y equals to 3x minus 4 y equals to 3x minus 4 upon 2. Equation number second. Again, we put value of x. We know that this line have infinite points. We choose any 3 points. Maybe take -2, 0, 2 and other points भी ले सकते हैं आप, या 2 पॉइंट ले सकते हैं आप, अदरवाइज इसके अलावा भी कोई पॉइंट ले सकते हैं आप. आपने सपोज मैंने ये पॉइंट लिए तो -2, 0, 2. Put x equals to -2 in equation second. We have y equals to 3 into -2 minus 4 upon 2 minus 6 minus 4 upon 2 minus 10 upon 2 minus 5. Y equals to -5. Again, we put x equals to 0 in equation second. Y equals to 3 into 0 minus 4 upon 2 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. So we get -2. Again put x equals to 2 in equation second. Y equals to 3 into 2 minus 4 upon 2. 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 upon 2, 1. When we put x equals to 2, we get y equals to 1. We write this equation here, x minus 2y equals to 4. We make graph of help of this table and this table. We make graph of line x plus y, whose table is this, and 3x minus 2y equals to 4, whose table is this. We draw graph help of two table. Y dash origin, one, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. We first find minus 2, 5. Minus 2 is this and 5 is here. So here this point is A and whose coordinate is minus 2, 5. Next find 0, 3. 0, 3, 0 x-axis and 3 y-axis. So this point is 0, 3. Let B. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2 and that point is 1. Let C point and 2, 1. We draw a line next. 3x minus 2y equals to 4. Table is this minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2 here and minus 5 here. Let we say that minus 2, 5 is P. 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. 0 x-axis and 2 minus 2 y-axis. We say that this point is Q. 0, minus 2. Third point 2, 1. Again this point or this point naming R. 2, 1. Again we join we have here line intersect at one point. So nature of line is unique solution at one point. So we find value of x, we draw perpendicular here, we get x equals to 2, and we find value of y, we draw perpendicular on y axis. So solution of given linear equation x equals to 2 and y equals to 1, and nature of solution unique solution. First part complete. Second part of second question, 2x minus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to minus 1. Solve graphically and find nature of solution. We first equation write in form of y, in term of y. On transposition y, right hand side we have 2x and constant left hand side 2x minus 4 equals to y. 2x minus 4, we make table. Take 3 points. you know that a line have infinite points. We take any 3 points, 0, -2, +2. Equation number first, we put x equals to -2 in equation first. We have y equals to 2 into -2 -4. -2 into 2 -4 and -4 -4 -8 -8. Again we put x equals to 0 in equation first. We have y equals to 2 into 0 -4. Therefore y equals to -4. We write here -4. Again we put x equals to 2 in equation first. Y equals to 2x -4. We put 2 here. Two into 2 4. 4 minus 4 0. Y equals to 0. We write here y equals to 0 when we put x equals to 2. Next, x plus y equals to -1. We write in term of y equals to -1 minus x. If we take minus common, we have 1 plus x equals to y. We make table of this linear equation. We take 3 points. Again 0 -2 2. Equation number second, put x equals to -2 here, y equals to -1 -2, 1 -2 -1, minus minus plus, so we have y equals to 1. Again we put x equals to 0 in equation second. We get y equals to -1, so minus bracket 1 plus 0, so we get y equals to -1. Again we put x equals to 2 in equation second. Y equals to -1 and put value of x is 2. We have -3. We write here -3. We draw graph help of these tables. We draw graph. It is x-axis as dash, x, origin, y-axis, y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. On y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. Maximum point -8 on y-axis. We draw of line L of this table -2, -8. -2, this, and -8. This point say A, -2, -8. 0, -4. 0, -4. This point called B, 0, -4. 2, 0. 2, 0. C point. We make a straight line. And naming 2x minus y equals to 4. Next table use -2, 1. -2, 1. -2 here and 1 is here. Say P point -2, 1. 0, -1. 0, -1. This point is 0, -1. Point Q 0, -1. 2, -3. 2, -3. You say that R point 2, -3. If we join this straight line, labeling this straight line x plus y equals to -1. Here unique solution, because line intersect at a point. We find value of x and y. We draw perpendicular on x-axis. We get value of x is 1, and draw perpendicular on y-axis. We get y equals to -2. So solution of this linear equation, solution of these linear equation x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. It is nature of solution. It is unique solution. And we write always here scale on x-axis, on x-axis 1 unit equals to 1, and on y-axis we take 1 unit equals to 1. Complete solution of second part. Solve third part of second question. X plus y equals to 5. We write in term of y equals to 5 minus x on transposition. We make table. We take point -2, 0 and 2. Equation number first, we put x equals to -2, y equals to 5 minus -2, minus plus, we have y equals to 7. Again we put x equals to 0 in equation first. We have 5 minus 0, y equals to 5. Again put x equals to 2 in equation first. We get y equals to 5 minus 2, y equals to 3. We write second equation in term of y. 2y as it is 10y minus 2x, y equals to 10 minus 2x upon 2. Equation number second. Table draw here. Again we choose -2, 0, 2. We know that a line have infinite points. We take any 3 points. Put x equals to -2 in equation 2. We have y equals to 10 minus 2. Here we have minus plus 14 upon 2, y equals to 7. If we put x equals to 0 in equation second, y equals to 10 minus 2 times of 0, we get 5. We write here 5. Again put x equals to 2 in equation second. We have y equals to 10 minus 2 into 2 upon 2. 10 minus 4 upon 2, y equals to 6 upon 2, and y equals to 3. We draw graph help of these table. X plus y equals to 5 table is this, and 2x plus 2y equals to 10 table is this. Draw graph help of these table. Origin, x axis, y axis. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. On y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. First point, minus 2, 7. Minus 2, 7. Minus 2, this, and 7 is this. You say that A minus 2, 7. 0, 5. 0, 5. This point is 0, 5. You say B point. 2, 3. 2, 3. We say that C point 2, 3. Next, minus 2, 7. Minus 2, 7. Again, this point or P equals to minus 2, 7. 0, 5. Again, or Q point 0, 5. 2, 3. Again, right here, point P 2, we join ABC and PQR. Labeling lines x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Scale on x-axis 1 unit equals to 1, and on y-axis 1 unit equals to 1. Solution of this solution of these linear equation. Here point P and Q, point P and A, and point B and Q, and point C and P. This point is R. Same point, and two lines overlap each other. So solution of these line linear equation, infinite many solution. Infinite many solution, because any point of equation satisfy both equation, and any line have infinite points, so we write infinite many solution. Question number second, we write in term of y equals to 2 minus 3x. Make table x, y, 0, minus 2, 2. We put x equals to minus 2 in equation first. We have y equals to 2 minus 3, and put x equals to minus 2, minus minus plus 6 plus 2, 8. Y equals to 8. Again put x equals to 0 in equation first. Y equals to 2 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0, 0. So we get y equals to 2. Again we put x equals to 2 in equation first. We have y equals to 2 in minus 3 into 2. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Y equals to minus 4. Next, 2x minus 3y equals to 5. If we write in term of y, we know that here 3 is multiplied, so it is goes into divide. ये नंबर डिवाइड में जाएगा, और डिवाइड में जाने के बाद यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन आएगी, जो सॉल्यूशन आएगा, वो में भी नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग आएगा, एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर को ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट करना सुविधाजनक नहीं होता. सो वी राइट दिस इक्वेशन इन टर्म ऑफ x. 2x on shift 5 plus 3y, x equals to 5 plus 3y upon 2. Equation number second. Make table here. We put value of y, so we write here minus 1, 0, 1. Put y equals to minus 1 in equation second. We get x equals to 5 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2. 5 minus 3 upon 2, 2 upon 2, x equals to 1. And put y equals to 0 in equation second. We have x equals to 5 plus 3 into 0 upon 2. We get 5 upon 2, 2.5. And we put x equals to 1, sorry, y equals to 1 in equation second. We get x equals to 5 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 upon 2, 4. X equals to 4. We draw graph help of these table. Draw graph. We draw graph. It is x-axis, origin, y-axis, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. On y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. We represent -2, 8. -2 is this and 8 here. So we say a -2, 8. Second point 0, 2, 0, 2. This point 0, 2. We say that B. 2, -4. 2, -4. 2 here and -4 here. 2, 4. Sorry, -4. We say that C point. We join and labeling 3x plus y equals to 2 and draw graph 1 comma minus 1 1 comma minus 1 this way, labeling p 1 comma minus 1 and 2.5 comma 0. This point is 2 comma 2.5 comma 0 is a Q point. 4 comma 1, 4 here and 1 here. We write R point 4 comma 1. Join these points. Labeling this equation 2x minus 3y equals to 5. Right scale on x-axis 1 unit equals to 1, on y-axis 1 unit equals to 1. Solution of linear equations which we draw perpendicular on x-axis. We have x equals to 1 and draw perpendicular on y-axis. We get y equals to minus 1. So solution of these equation is x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. Nature of solution: these lines intersect at one point, so we say that unique solution. Solution of any graph, we remember three things. First, at least take minimum 3 points. Second, we always write scale. And third is most important, if we write in term of x and y, denominator not have equation is 3, 7, 11 etc. बिकॉज इस टाइप का अगर आपके पास कोई नंबर होगा तो आप उसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपके पास आंसर पॉइंट्स में मिलेगा, और जो पॉइंट्स में जो नंबर मिलेगा, जैसे पॉइंट्स के अंदर जो नंबर मिला 7.333, उसको एक्चुअल पोजीशन फाइंड आउट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. जैसे ये आपके पास दे रखा था 3x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 2, आपने लिखा 3x equals to 2 minus y, x equals to 2 minus y upon 3. If we put here y equals to 1, 2 minus 1 upon 3, we have 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 0.333. It is 3. It is non-terminating number. It is this number easily not represent in this graph. तब क्या करें? या तो आपको इस y के ऊपर ऐसा नंबर रखो जिससे उसको सिंप्लीफाई करने पर ये से क्या हो जाए, कैंसिल आउट। अदरवाइज सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट आपको यहाँ पे 3 रखना ही नहीं है। अब 3 यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, उसका वो कब नहीं आएगा, तो वी राइट इन फॉर्म ऑफ x, in write in form of y, so we write in form of y 2 minus 3x. Here we write any number, here we get value of y in integer form. Integer always easily represent on graph paper. ओके, आई थिंक सबको समझ आ रहा होगा।